Hi, hope you are well. Tomorrow we are going to test the stability of a cell phone as a vlogging camera. I'm going to drive to work. It's about a 4-minute drive. It's in a normal screwy, squishy, gluey thing that stuck to your dashboard, and you put your phone in it and you clamp everything just slightly close, and it's supposed to keep it there. There's no external mics connected, nothing. It's just like it is. Let's see how good it is. Oh yeah, and I'm driving on a small car with 15-inch tires, so it's not that bad. I have it set on full HD. It's 1080p. I'm using the front screen on my S9 Plus. In that function, it gives you a stability mode enabled. If you set the resolution 1 or higher, you lose the stability control. So that's what I want to see. I want to see if it's working, if it is useful. I'm gonna do my best at stopping at all the stop streets to show a good example to you. From my side, it looks quite good. We have quite bad roads here where I live. A lot of potholes, bumps, dings, and like this is your average, like slow down, go into first gear, go over the bump, go down second gear, and then it's about 400 meters to a dead stop. Yeah, that's quite irritating. And then the guy from the alarm company wants to drive in front of me, and I'm not gonna allow him to do that. Right, going to the stop street, choosing the smallest potholes available to go through. Right. Luckily, I live close to work, so if I'm late, I'm not that late. It's a piece of open road. It's quite smooth, so I think the camera will do a decent job here. Fortunately, I can't play any cool background music because I stream off my phone through my car's audio system using the Bluetooth, and now I'm using my phone to entertain you and me. Believe me, I watch my own videos. Do that, it's cool. BMW 325, as far as I know, 0 to 60 is about 0 to 60. It gives you 100 kilometers an hour in 6 seconds. This lady is doing it at 21 seconds, so it's slowing me down. I say, and we're going again. And we've come to a complete standstill almost. In Klerksdorp. Google it, it's a small town. Most cars you will ever find in your whole world for the amount of people that live here. Let me tell you, if you can't find the car you are looking for here at the second-hand dealer, you are looking at the wrong place. Serious, there's more car garages in Klerksdorp than I have hair on my head. And they all stay open. I don't know, people have to buy stuff decently, or I don't know. Go comment below what you drive, I would like to know. That can be interesting. Lambos, VWs, comment it. The other day, sorry for my bad English, I'm still waking up. The other day a guy asked me, hey man, what you using as your vlogging cam? And I'm like, hey dude, check this small thing. It's called a phone. And he's like, why? Buy a camera? And I'm like, why? My phone can do everything the camera can do. Especially the problem with phones, the mics are not that good. Like the previous videos, you will see the quality of the surround sounds are less and more on my voice because I have a directional mount on my selfie stick. It cost about 400 rands, that's about $40. I highly recommend that than using your phone's mic. But in the setup I'm using now is actually just a thing you stick to your dashboard. You put your phone in and you can like use your GPS actually in it. Settings to make the screen easier to see and accessible, and it's out of the way. It's not in the window, it's on the dash. We have good luck this morning. We have bad luck. It struck orange, red, and we have to stop. Even the guy that asks for money says, has a nice weekend, eh? How do you believe that? I'll say, and we're off. I'm gonna give it some horsepower, like we call it, and do a sudden stop to see what the camera does. Dead stop, and we go again. Let's see that it will show on after the recording and playing in the scene itself when I put it up to YouTube. I'm gonna put it up in a normal 1080p. I tried the 4K thing. The thing is like massive, and I think on these smartphones the 4K resolution on the front screen or on the front camera, it isn't worth it at the moment yet. Your GoPro 8 are coming out now, 4K, I don't know how many feet per second. The Arrow Black is excellent vlogging cam. That thing really has decent stabilization. Battery life is excellent, and you can even drop it in the toilet for 10 meters deep, they say. Talking about dropping cameras in toilets, my wife got like one of these fancy Instacams for how do I call it, birthday. It was nice and purple. It lasted about 6 months doing its job, and then my little boy tested its water capabilities. That thing is not water capability proof, not even up to 10 centimeters. It's broken now. Get a GoPro, mom. Leave the Instacam alone. Nice and bumpy section. I'm off to make a sharp turn here. In front of someone else. Second gear around the corner, and I'm almost at work. Boom. That's it. They say the S10 Plus will have a better stabilization, or the S10 range of Samsung has a better stabilization, and the stabilization will be capable at 4K on both the cameras, not just like mine at the back camera in 4K, which the stabilization ain't that good, to be honest. This is normal 1080p, and let's test the stabilization. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube now and see what it does. Is it there? Is it not there? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? And I'll see if I have a friend that has a S10 and we can do the same and compare the two videos next to each other and see if it is worth it. Thank you. Enjoy your day and happy vlogging, working, whatever you do for income. Oh yeah, and maybe if you've taken up chess, enjoy that.